One of the best way to create a happier life for yourself is to make other people happier. Why? You see it, you did a good thing, you get what you give. So how can you make someone happier? Number one, give a sincere compliment. Many positive things tend to go unsaid, so give someone a sincere compliment today. It can mean especially much if it's for something that is close to the other person's heart, or something he or she has been putting in a good effort with, like getting into better shape for the last few months. Number two, let something into your land while you are driving. It can unstress his or her day quite a bit. Number three, hold the door open for a few extra seconds. It doesn't take much of an effort, but it can put a smile on someone's face. Number four, express your gratitude for what is too often taken for granted. We may sometimes take what others do a bit too much for granted, like the food they cook, how they keep doing their job consistently each and every day, or how they are there to listen when we need it. Number five, encourage. The world can be a tough and discouraging place at times, so encourage someone who is in a negative situation at the moment. Add your own, perhaps more grounded and optimistic perspective on the situation to lessen his or her worries and perhaps exaggerate fears. Number six, give a stranger a compliment. Few things can be brightened the day, like getting a kind and unexpected compliment from someone you pass by or you have just met. So take a few seconds and give that to someone you encounter today and tell her how nice her shoes, hat or hairstyle looks, or ask him where he got that cool t-shirt or umbrella. Number seven, help out practically with advice. If a friend needs some help, then ask someone you know who has been in that situation for advice, or do a bit of online research to find what she might be looking for. Number eight, pick some flowers. It only takes a few minutes, but the joy lasts for days. Number nine, give a hug. It unstresses and it can distract negative thoughts and change someone's mood surprisingly quickly. Use when appropriate though. Number 10, cook their favorite food if they have had a bad day. I know from my own life that it can really cheer me up on such days. Number 11, just listen. It's sometimes all that's needed to help someone out of a negative headspace. 12, bring a cup of tea or coffee the way that person likes it. It only takes a minute while you are already up and getting a hot beverage for yourself. Number 13, hide a secret note for him or her to find. A note of thankfulness, or a note with a compliment, or simply a note of love. Hide it in the tea container, lunchbox, or hat, for example. And the final one, that is bring positivity. If you bring positivity and an open